Yun mga katagay! Today, we will be cooking crispy pork kare kare.
So, let's cook.
The ingredients and the seasoning of the crispy pork kare kare: red onion,
Garlic,
turmeric, black pepper, pork cube. No fish sauce is allowed in crispy pork kare kare. Peanut butter spread. Unbelievable, unique. Can you imagine that you cook it with your pork? Oh no, I can't elaborate it. Confusing. Peanut butter with your pork meat. Can you imagine it? And also with the alamang, Belacan in my country. With the Belacan, imagine eating pork meat with the peanut butter. The vegetables are pieces of eggplant, pechay, bok choy maybe, long bean.
sitaw.
This three is required to make that kare kare crispy pork. Oh yeah. Woo. Let's go. First step.
Boil the meat. Oh no.
Seasoning powder from Thailand.
Sawadika.
Sibuyas. We add the red onion. Boil the pork for 1 hour.
Yeah, black pepper. Alright. Let's wait for 1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very special.
Okay. After half an hour waiting, the boiling.
Turn around the meat.
From this to this.
to this.
This is the first time we cook this big.
So see you later, guys.
After 1 hour of boiling, this is how it looks like. You can kill the fire right now.
Oh no, what happened to the meat? It is all alive.
Make sure to fully drain it because we need to deep fry it after that. There's a long work to do. Do not throw the excess boiled soup because it contains all the secret ingredients that you cannot get in the shop.
Heat the pan for the sauce.
Alright. And oil.
Onions. Garlic.
The surprise for you today: peanut butter.
Crunchy, a little peanut.
Crunchiness.
Yes.
Chop chop like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Peanut butter.
Black pepper. Turmeric. To make the color more beautiful. It's starting to become color yellow. More water. Oh, you can see the,
Not really thick, not really watery. The pork cube.
continue to stir it, guys.
Yes, never stop.
Thicken the sauce. Kare kare. Is it very unique? Is it masarap?
Yeah, masarap. Unique because this is my first time.
Salt, guys, because I put many water. It depends on your taste.
Yeah.
So, okay na to. Pwede na natin patayin.
You can kill the fire right now.
So, set aside muna natin yung ating sauce. This is the secret recipe, guys. The one that you boiled the pork.
The water from the boiled pork meat.
The secret.
Leave it for 2 minutes.
Next step tayo, guys. See you later.
Prepare your third pan for deep frying that pork meat. Heat your pan. For the oil, wait like to become very hot. Prepare.
Prepare the vegetables.
Yes. Start by boiling water.
Boil it like half cook.
Half cooked vegetable. We'll put the eggplant first. The next one is long bean.
You need to boil the eggplant and sitaw
Yes.
for 2 to 3 minutes.
Checking up that gulai. This is one of the items that you can pick up in the PUBG arena. And I run, you know, like, whoo, I'm fighting. So this is to protect you from the bullet. This is the time to deep fry. Prepare for war. Of that popping oil. Do we need to cover? Do you want me to hold this? Come, let me hold this one. Bombing sound. You can start removing the gulai from the boiled water.
After you put out the sitaw, eggplant, the last
Pechay! It's half cooked, yeah?
5 minutes for the pechay.
So after just a few minutes, remove it. Now, preparing for our fourth pan. Cook the alamang from scratch. Start your fire.
Alamang.
Alamang. No, only one side. Kill the fire. You don't need to fry it so long. This is it.
Check our deep fried.
Deep fried pork meat. Whoa, the smoke. Turn the side. Turn it. I think we need to close it. I'm having heart attack now.
Alright. So close it again, guys. Very dangerous, guys.
Yes.
But we are very, brave.
Yes, we are brave because we are mga katagay.
Okay, so see you later, guys.
It's been 20 minutes of deep frying the pork meat. So checking up our crispy pork. Take your strainer out.
The strainer. To make it more crispier.
Wow.
This is a very
Whoa, amazing. Make it cool down maybe for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes like that. Do not kill the fire first. We need the oil to maintain hot. Keep heated because we will use the oil later to shower it again.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
The time to shower it with hot oil.
Okay, let me see.
Kita nyo naman, guys, yung 2 minutes. After that, we can chop.
3 hours and we are not finished yet.
Let's try.
Nababagalan kasi ako sa'yo eh.
A mouse, a big mouse.
Very crunchy.
It seems that the preparation has begun.
Okay.
Put that peanut butter sauce inside the bowl. Then for the gulai,
Eggplant. This is the presentation for our pork kare kare.
Alamang.
Tikiman time!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Uy!
So, it's my time to tikim it first. So, guys, kamay-kamay na.
Jolene.
Ang ganda alamang. Ayan, damit.
Ang basyan naman daw.
How was it? Super.
Sobrang masarap.
Sobrang
Asan yung
masarap.
kanin niya dapat?
My turn to try now. I'll
With
take
alamang.
So, I cannot stop
Yeah.
eating, guys.
one eggplant.
Ang
This long bean and also the pechay. One pechay. Use finger even. Pechay. And then the meat. Oh, yes. All the meat very big you cut.
Ang sarap, guys, pag kamay-kamay lang. Using your hand.
alamang.
Yeah. I cannot use hand guys because I'm holding the GoPro. Yeah. Okay. With the crispy pork and also the alamang.
And the soup.
Oh yeah, the soup. Some
You
alamang.
mix it with soup.
Right.
Put it on the pork meat. And then the soup. Let me try the soup first. This is the soup, the peanut butter soup. Amazing, unbelievable. I did not,
You mix it all.
yeah, I did not expect. You know, I did not believe this dish exists.
With peanut butter. Is it nice? You cannot talk anymore.
The level of masarap, undescribable.
to the highest level.
All together, it becomes boom. It is so masarap. Malim nam nam.
Pwede nyo siyang iluto, guys, kahit anong okasyon meron. Sigurado mag-i-enjoy yung pamilya nyo. And then, patuloy namin kayong papasayahin, guys, sa aming mga susunod na video. Please like, share, put some comment.
Her comment again. She haven't comment yet. What is your comment on the tikiman?
Masarap.
Tikiman.
Masarap.
Masarap only?
Besides what? Yeah, talking.
Yes.
Only masarap
Malim
or
namnam?
very masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Only masarap? No very?
Her eyes.
Masarap mo. Ano nakakamay
She's
mo.
shy. She's super shy. Malim nam nam. Okay, so don't forget to try this recipe at home. This is not one of the easy recipe. 5 stages. Chang.
See you on our next video,
Video.
guys.
Bye.